So the add-on that I found that I think would be really helpful in using during a Google Slide presentation is called Pear Deck, and it's just something you download for free, and then you sign up for an account on their website. But if you come here and you open it, it'll load, and it gives you a couple different options of interactive things you can do with your students that you can link to and put it into your presentation. Like, for example, after we watch this video, I could do an assessment about summarizing what you just learned, and that'll insert it into your presentation so that it's a whole nother slide. And then once you are ready to present, you come over here and hit present lesson. And we'll grant permission to it through our Google account. So it all runs through your Google account as well so that it can take that information from your Google Slides. And it's kind of like a few other interactive programs that I've seen where it'll give students a code that they can enter, or you can even give them a link, and that'll allow them to log in and have this interaction on their phones, on their computers if those are available. So like there's a link as well, but that just allows them to stay engaged in the presentation as well as have something that they can do during the presentation so that you can monitor and know what students might need some more help or what students aren't paying attention. So I think that could be a really, really useful tool.